Would you like to create educational videos that are different from everyone else? There are modern designed, and with a talking 3D avatar which inspire your employees? Then we have the perfect solution for you. Whether young or old, we have the right 3D avatar for your target group. Our avatar videos inspire viewers from all over the world. In the next few minutes, we would like to give you some avatars and show you that we can also adapt the dress code of the avatars to your company design. So stay curious. May I introduce? You can only see a small selection of the avatars available here. Now, I will show you how I can change my look and my outfit.
Hello, I am Joey and I can help you to explain your ideas.
Give your educational videos a futuristic 3D avatar who speaks, his lips moving in sync with the text, a modern face. 3D avatars are just amazing and engaging.
They attract attention and thus ensure learning success.
Call us, we will be happy to advise you. Together we will find the right learning format for your videos, with an avatar or without.